So, oh gosh. Okay. Hey guys, Natalliegee Glam here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I had a cool little idea. I wanted to do the lit playlist, Get Ready With Me tag. And because today's April 6th and Cardi B's album Invasion of Privacy has dropped, I thought it would be the perfect opportunity for me to do a lit playlist, Get Ready With Me tag, listen to the album, take it in while I'm beating my face because she always give me hype. So I thought it would be a good idea. Today's look will be drugstore or affordable, just pocket friendly, okay? That's what we're going for because, Cardi likes to save her coins. She all about Fashion Nova and saving money. So I thought that in her honor, I would do an affordable look for today's lit playlist, Get Ready With Me tag. So we're gonna start. Okay, Cardi. Okay, Cardi. We're gonna start with Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. So, I had to stop that. Like a minute and a half in, and I'm like, already. This is the song you chose to open your album with. I don't know. I'm already having mixed feelings. I'm like, girl, no. It's a bit too this is not what I was expecting. I thought she'd be maybe open with a banger, but let's keep going. NYX brow gel and espresso. Okay. I knew Cardi wouldn't disappoint. She'd come with the banger. I feel like I'm gonna be saying that. It's gonna be a caption. I get down 9 times, but I get up 10. Ay. I get down 9 times, but I get up 10. X. Yep. I feel it, Cardi. Okay. I'm gonna pause this because I don't know what I did to this brow to deserve this. This one was so respectful, so nice, and then this one was like, fuck you, bitch. Using NYX Above and Beyond Full Coverage Concealer in the color Nutmeg. This was the one she promoted on her Instagram, and I was like, no, this is not my favorite. I don't like this. I don't know if it's because it sounds more like a Migos song than a Cardi song. Did he just say? I said, what you talking about Wet Willie's for? Okay. I'm gonna go in with the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. This is in the color Mocha. See what I mean? This is a Migos song. Okay? Oh look, I came through dripping. Drip, drip. Drip, drip. Hey, I'm a nasty hoe. She's hitting with her own ad-libs. Ice. Ooh. Ooh. See? She give me hype. I'm like, ooh. Okay, that was a banger. I'm excited. I'm excited to run that track all summer. All summer in the core, getting ready, at the club, at my jam. Should we even do Bodak Yellow? We all know that's the track. Should we even do Bodak Yellow? We all know that's the track. Who am I kidding? We gotta play Bodak Yellow. Who am I kidding? Now using LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is in the color Toffee. Here's my thing, we all know Bodak Yellow was a guaranteed one. on this album, and that's the thing, is it came out so long ago that it's kind of like, should it even be on this album? Is that just like a wasted spot? I don't know, but this song still gets me. Like, Cardi B had us all talking about red bottoms, which we don't own. How, sis? None of us own them, and we like in the club like, these is bloody shoes. Meanwhile, I'm wearing like Sirens $20 pump. Don't play with me. No, I need to fill up the safe. I need to let all these hoes know that none of their niggas are safe. Gonna use Black Opal's medium setting powder. But yeah, I don't have much to say about Bodak Yellow. Like, we all fucking love it. Who am I kidding? Okay, I already listened to the song when it came out, and I hate it. I'm gonna start with I hate it. I know as a female rapper, you have to have that hard side, but you also have to show your soft side. I don't think this was the one. I think this could have been taken off, and I wouldn't miss it. Texas, Cardi. Texas. I don't speak Spanish, but I know what puta means. Ooh. See, this is the part I especially can't fuck with. She's not a singer. She's a rapper. And you have to think of it in the sense, if you go to a Cardi B concert, are you really going to want to hear her sing this song? No. No, you're not going to. Don't lie to yourself. You're not going to. Like, it's a nice message, but I don't want Cardi singing. Like, I don't personally not here for it. Okay. For eyes, I'm going to be using by BH Cosmetics Modern Matte, as well as my Romeo palette. It's like a dupe for the Morphe 350. But I bought it on Amazon, and it was way cheaper. Hey! Alright. The one that look like socks. Only Cardi can make me listen to this song and be like, okay, now we're just taking the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, and we're gonna just carve out where we're gonna put the lid color. Take a small brush and spread the product. You guys already know how I'm gonna feel about this song. Even if it's Kehlani on it, can't do a slow rap. But I understand, because like you can't just have an album just like bang, 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 bangers. I will say I appreciate that she's still being real. Like, she's still like 100% unfiltered Cardi. You look like Beyonce. Hey, money bag, money bag, money bag. A song I haven't even finished yet. Who knew Versace made driveways? That's something that's just above my pay scale. Okay, and I'm just lining my eyes with Wet n Wild Baby Got Back. Now I'm just doing our waterline. Oh God. I like hot sauce on my chicken. I put a rubber off and I put hot sauce on her teeth. Lash Princess mascara. And remember which one was which. Hey. The shimmers in this palette though are like crazy. This one for my inner corner. We're gonna take a brief interlude to do lashes. Ardell foaming. Ooh, Riri! I'm gonna dust away all the fallout. This is another slow one. Okay, this is very boardy. Okay, for blush, we're gonna be using a bunch of things. This is NYX Double Dare. That's terrible. The Milani Big Blush in Berry Amore. This one bumps too, but like, I could, again, live without it. And we're gonna do NYX Rose Gold as a highlighter. It's actually a blush. It's called a high definition blush, but I use it as a highlighter. This is my jam. Okay, this is the final track, y'all. Hey, Maybelline Master Fix Setting Spray. Pops. Woo! ColourPop's BFF3. Huh? And ColourPop's Cookie. NYX Butter Gloss in Madeline. Then I just go back in with the highlighter. Ah, we finished! I do what I like, I do. I have to listen to this album again just so I can take like baddie pictures, because this album put me in the mood. I'm alright. On a whole, I would have to give Cardi's album, Invasion of Privacy, 5 Fenty Trophy Wife highlighters out of 5. Girl did her thing. Like, she was true to herself. I know she threw those slow songs on there just to show like range, like she could do it. They weren't my favorite, but I would still, like, I just still appreciate this album from front to back. It was banging. Hope you guys enjoyed the makeup look. I feel like it's something that she could wear, she could do. I've probably seen her do. I think it's hella cute. I feel like this is pretty, it's cute or whatever, like it's something she could wear. Also kind of like that it was true to something that I feel like Cardi would wear on her face, which is like dope. I wasn't planning on doing that, so kudos to me. Pat myself on the back. It came out cute or whatever. It's all drugstore products. If you have any questions about the products used, hit me in the comments below. If you like this video, hit me in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you actually did like it too. Like, come on. Also, comment down below if you enjoy the makeup, the music, what do you think about the album. Let me know down below. Also, subscribe to me if you want to see more videos like this. And also share this video, even if you didn't like it, even if you hated it. Share it anyways. Be like, oh, this bitch so annoying. I'm gonna share it. Right? So thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Cardi be brain on offset. Cardi took your man, you